Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today's Friday, April 19, 2024. And as we end the week, it is one of the softest, worst weeks since October for stocks. The global index, which captures about 85% of the global stock markets, that is down 2% for the week. And we're down right now on the S&P and Nasdaq today on Friday. Dow is up, but it's going to be greater than 2% likely for the global index. And our indexes, the S&P is down 2.4% this week, going into Friday. Nasdaq down 3.5, Russell down 3, and the Dow is actually up a little bit for the first 4 days of the week. Some of the things going on today. Microsoft's down 3%. Nvidia's down 3%. Been weak lately. Netflix reported numbers last night. It's down 8.5%, and decent numbers on the headline, and but the stock is down 8.5%. So be a bad reaction. Tesla's down 37% year to date, and Apple's down 14% year to date. We've been referring to those two as kind of the terrible two. And we'll see, if there's, this just seems to be, greater weakness at Tesla, with the announcement earlier this week of a layoff. So then there seems to be a rotation though, into some commodity stocks, the energy complex, as oil and gas services and exploration and refining. Those stocks seem to be doing well. The precious metals are doing well with gold and silver, platinum, and again with the commodities, copper and the base metal miners, are doing pretty well too. The stocks are, so it's not reflected necessarily in the indexes because tech and growth has been such a bigger piece of the Nasdaq and the S&P, but there seems to be an adjustment going on to higher inflation and consequently higher interest rates for longer than was expected, and that's what the kind of the turmoil we're going through. So we'll see how this trades into the end of the month and next week. We'll see how we start next week. We'll report back to you then. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe, and let me know of any comments and questions. Thank you. Goodbye.